just a little background on MEMS Industry Group. We started in 2001, Metric 2001. It was Metric, the actual acronym stands for, there's a roadmap in there. That was the whole idea. It was funded with DARPA funding, some fantastic companies, 5 in fact. Now we're over 80, 85 companies. We're in Pittsburgh. That's our new little house that we have. Is this my little laser? Do I have it there? Anyway, that's where we're living now. Our house, and that's beautiful downtown Pittsburgh. The next list here is our growing list of MIG members. We're really pleased that our membership is growing. 2009, perhaps for some of you, was a funky year, right? We're on the other side of it, thank God. Things are going well, and we're a part of that growth. And today, and the programs we're doing throughout the year is a great testament. MEMS Industry Group is the MEMS supply chain. We're focused globally. You'll see in the audience we have some great international representation. That's something that we pride ourselves in. Take a look at the MEMS logos of our companies in the back, and this is in very small print, but you should be able to see that it's very international and very, very well representing the MEMS supply chain. So quick overview, sort of graphically showing you who is in our membership. And as you can see, the vast majority are device manufacturers. But then you see some fantastic representation of suppliers, equally important, and partners. And the one area that I know that we want to grow in the next 5 years is that end users. 1% of our membership is end users, and that's something that we definitely can improve upon. Here's a list of the programs and benefits that MEMS Industry Group offers, and part of why I'm doing this here, this is my shtick, my sort of dog and pony show that I do when I talk to people about joining MEMS Industry Group. I want to make sure you guys know this, because we did a member survey earlier this year, and it was clear that a bunch of members are not aware of all the programs and benefits that we do. Obviously you know about Metric because you're here today, but we have our MEMS Education Series. This year it's typically, we held them around the country, but typically they're in the San Jose, San Francisco area. And this year, for our 3rd year, I think, or at least it's the 2nd or 3rd year, we're doing it the week of Semicon West. 3rd year in a row, doing it during Semicon West week. It's focused on MEMS reliability. I'll give you a little bit of shtick on that a little bit later. Another program that obviously I'm hoping you guys are aware of is MEMS Executive Congress, and I'll go into that a little bit more detail. And then the whole idea of all these programs, all these things that we do, is to create a forum for discussion of overcoming some of the technical challenges as MEMS, idea exchange and collaboration, networking, media, PR, marketing, those kinds of things, and company promotion. Like I was alluding to earlier, the MEMS Executive Series, we've been doing this for 3 years. All the materials, all the work, the case studies, the interviews, the surveys, all that information is on our website. And it's free. It's part of your membership benefit. So I encourage you, we are actually in the process of doing a redesign of our website, but I encourage you to check out our website, see all the information that we've gathered for you, and send a staff person or bring yourself to our MEMS Education Series. Dr. John McKillop, who I'm not sure I see this morning, but will be here. He's going to be one of our instructors. It's all focused on MEMS reliability, really critical issue. It's a half-day thing. The idea is that you fly in that morning, that Monday of Semicon West week, and then you come join us for the afternoon, then you can go off and do your fun stuff for Semicon West week. It's a nice way to start the week. MEMS Executive Congress. I hope that this is on your calendar. It's November 3rd and 4th with conference meetings. The 5th will be a day of golf, which in gorgeous Arizona in November. I know, living in Pittsburgh, I am looking forward to that vacation already. And the MEMS Executive Congress is seen as a premier networking event. It's the event for executives in and around the MEMS industry. We have end users like Microsoft and Qualcomm, Nokia, Philips, the whole spectrum of those end users and potential end users of MEMS come and talk about MEMS as an enabling solution. You know, some people say, it could be bubble gum, I don't care, but we chose MEMS because it does X, Y, Z, P, Q. And our keynote will be Dr. Richard Duncombe, who is a strategist with HP. He's going to talk about sensor networks. We have several panels, which I think I have on the, no we don't. Okay, we have several panels on MEMS energy, quality of life, and how MEMS is that enabling technology for quality of life enhancements, and consumer and products, mobile in particular, mobile consumer products. We've already got a bunch of really exciting companies lined up, and then our MEMS market panel with analysts and investment banking community will have a 2-hour panel discussion talking about MEMS as an investment opportunity, MEMS market, where it's going. Roger Grace, who's in our audience, will be on the panel along with Gartner, iSupply, Yole, and Boucher Lynch, which is the investment firm I'm talking about. We do have a lot of our members are sponsors of the MEMS Executive Congress. We do have a few spots open. It's a great opportunity. There's a lot of PR, marketing, again, that's wrapped around the event. I encourage you, if you're interested, please let me know.